He's filming it.
Yeah.
How many times and you're only having milk in your head there now.
Yeah.
So then I was like,